This is a short video that supports the announcement concerning your free account. Here was the announcement in which the link is embedded. When you click the link, you end up here, create an account, and you do what you need to do. And you immediately get access to the New York Times. If you're unfamiliar with it, the taskbar takes you to all these topics. And because I teach business, every day I start with the business tab. And the stories actually change maybe a couple of times a day, depending on if there is a question. The other tab I go to is the World tab, where I kind of keep up on world events. It works on your iPad, your iPhone, it works on Androids, as well as your computer. I hope you take advantage and join this free account.